3D printing is a new manufacturing technology where specialized printers use different materials to construct objects layer by layer. This is instead of cutting or machining parts that later need to be assembled. These machines are using different materials to print these objects. This is why 3D printing is also called additive manufacturing. The process is very revolutionary in regards of constructing objects out of materials that would otherwise be too difficult to use. A good example would be the SpaceX rocket propulsion system that they're using to power their spacecrafts. They have 3D printed these engines out of an alloy that is otherwise unusable because it's hard to machine, but because they 3D print it, they can create rockets that are more durable than using standard manufacturing techniques. Another way that this process would revolutionize mainstream manufacturing is that the process could lower the overhead cost of manufacturing plants. 3D printers can switch job parameters very easily, so you can change the parameters of the objects just by making small changes to the programs that run the 3D printers. With this technology, there will be no need to spend there will be no need to there will be no need to spend time and unnecessary manpower on retooling machines. BMW is already using this technology by designing and printing specialized tools to help with building cars. Because of the ability to switch parameters easily, the type of manufacturing works well with building prototypes and craft items. This specific reason is why some view 3D printing as gimmicky or for hobbyists, and that it will never fully replace mainstream traditional manufacturing. Even though 3D printing is not ready to replace mainstream manufacturing, it is still very desirable for the many characteristics that it can provide. Let me switch that, that's not very good sense. 3D printing can run continuously, meaning that they can manufacture at all hours of the day. With only a small maintenance staff to operate the machinery, this can allow for virtually an autonomous manufacturing process. Again, saving on overhead while allowing for the most efficient use of time. Although the quality of 3D printing although the quality of 3D printed objects are quite a bit behind that of today's traditional manufacturing, and 3D printing cannot produce identical products at the same numbers in mainstream manufacturing plant. That's not right. 3D printing of individualized items have been a real boost for the technology, with medical companies using 3D prints of prosthetics, hearing aids, and orthodontic braces. Because 3D printing can be run from digital images, these customized products can be created on site if 3D printers are available. Downsides to 3D printing are the cost of materials that are required. Since the materials are specialized and not widely used enough, the demand for such materials are high. The limited amount of suppliers for the materials add to the high cost, but as more third-party suppliers move into the market, the price should drop. Speed can be another hindrance to the process, but it depends on what kind of product is being made. Take a large part of a wall or a body panel to a car. These specific objects may take several hours to print. On the other side, a highly customizable object could take hours to print, but weeks to machine.